Hey, what is up guys? Today we have a really cool adventure. Oh, I might be late. First off, I want to apologize for any shaky camera movements today. I lost my tripod last night in a little bit of a mix-up with the police actually. Okay guys, flash the picture. That just got us in a little bit of a pickle. Too bad.
This lane was closed, and all of a sudden it's open now, and people called the cops on us. That just happened.
Are you mad, boy?
Ah, you just gotta hurry up because they're gonna find us.
So yeah, some people got worried about us on the bridge, but we got a sick hyperlapse that you saw earlier. So for today's vlog, I'm going to be going.
You want him to do you so much you could do anything?
For today's vlog, I'm going to be meeting some friends. Actually, I've never met them, but we've been talking on Instagram for months and months and months, and we're going roof-topping. So it's gonna be sick. If I keep looking over here, call me out because I'm gonna be looking there, right here, not over there. Honestly, been so long since I've vlogged in public. What the heck, it's kind of weird. One of the things about living in a nice apartment is that I have to use public transport instead of my car because parking is 220 bucks a month. I feel like this is them. Never mind, dodge that freaking bullet, that wasn't them. They're like 15, what the heck. So the aim for today is to make a dope edit for you guys and probably an Instagram edit, more focused for Instagram, but I'll throw it in for this vlog as well. But I don't know, I'm getting all these looks from vlogging. I love it, it's so funny. Okay, so Ben called. I'm not too sure where he is. Hey! Look at them. Okay, well, there's somewhere over there. I don't know how to get over there. What the heck? What the heck? Where am I? They were like over up there or something. Frig is this building? What is this? There's no one in here. Okay, freaking rooftop crew. I think there's 4 guys. What the frig? They were right here, I swear. Yeah, exactly what I thought was gonna happen did. They seem like a lively bunch. Yeah. So basically we are headed up this crane, or not crane, building. And we have to go like one by one after another, or else we're getting crap. You psyched? You psyched, boys? So freaking so. Oh, dude!
Gnarly.
I can't believe I didn't film that. What the heck? I didn't film that. No, we didn't freaking film it. Yeah, so this fob got us in.
It makes the same
Yeah, no, it's the same thing.
Yeah, exactly. Because it's not the thing that's making the noise.
Yeah, coming in clutch with the fob. Just getting my mail, you know, freaking. All going in that. I'm gonna go on the next one. Forgot roof-topping was so sketchy. There's like 10 of us here. Oh boy! Oh dude! Yo!
So stoked.
What the heck? This is dope. What the heck? Okay. This is sick. This is freaking nuts. I want to get over there.
Yeah, did you go over there?
Yo, what the frig, dude? So this is Ben.
That's
everyone do your Insta handles.
Tim.key_.
Yeah.
Maxi.v1 with 2 eyes.
Oh, dang, that was. And that's Sean. He's vlogging. Go check out his YouTube channel. Sun's going down. Colors aren't popping as much anymore.
Look down at your camera.
Okay, he's instructing me. He's instructing me during the vlog. We'll all do it. Holy crap. Yeah, boys.
That was unreal.
Okay, risking it for the biscuit, I say, is probably not worth it anymore. Second day in a row, cops coming, telling us to stop shooting, and this time, oh my goodness, I'll go more in depth a little bit later, but how are you guys feeling? A little shook?
I'm so shook.
Don't rooftop.
Don't rooftop.
Yeah. Don't go rooftoping. Don't go rooftoping.
See you, dudes. Peace. Hey. Okay. So much happened tonight. I honestly can't believe that I didn't get arrested tonight. Like, it was an answer to prayer for sure. I was like freaking out because we got caught by the cops. And the cops, by the way, were so nice. And I'm eternally grateful to them for just giving us a warning. Oh my goodness. Where do I start? Holy crap, we got so shook from this. Like, for me especially, at first I was very calm and it was like, yeah, this is gonna be a warning, this is like typical. And then he started talking about the Lionsgate Bridge. So basically what happened, someone saw us up there, someone who actually lived had a penthouse on that floor. We thought it was a public access for the whole building, and we didn't think we were gonna be ruffling anyone's feathers. Ruffling feathers, I don't even know. But yeah, so basically they came in, they sat us down, told us that this was not okay, it's actually illegal, which I thought it was just frowned upon, but now I'm very much aware that this is not something you should do. Do not rooftop. It is not a good idea. Please do not. So anyway, we were waiting at the elevator and the cop said to me, or was just talking to us about 2 guys who were at Lionsgate Bridge, and he was kind of like unclear about like what they did at Lionsgate Bridge, but they were talking about how they had to like shut down the lanes and like stop city traffic. And when he talked about that, literally last night Tristan and I were taking hyperlapses and pictures on Lionsgate, and the cops were calling on us because people thought we were going to like, I don't know, playing chicken in the road or going to jump off the bridge, which we weren't. We were just taking this cool photo. Wait for the traffic to go past us, so there's one way getting that really cool light thing, which was probably not the smartest thing to do, but the cop was really nice. He was like, yeah, just wait till 2 in the morning and then you can do that. Like, we're glad you're not doing anything bad. But the cop today was saying these 2 guys at Lionsgate Bridge did this, and that like it's a warning. I thought this was my second warning because it was that. I thought I was getting arrested for sure. And he was talking about how like, you can't leave the country, you can't do like this stuff, you have a criminal record. And thank the Lord, honestly, I don't know how the heck I was able to get by, but I did. I've definitely learned my lesson. I am never going rooftoping ever again. It was fun while it lasted, but yeah, it's not worth it. Don't go rooftoping. But yeah, everyone, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to leave a thumbs up, subscribe, and comment down below. My life is a little crazy. This stuff happens, not the cop thing, but craziness happens in my life quite regularly. So I'm really happy you guys are sticking around. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Somehow
would it be enough for my love? And I try, 'cause even if we stay, you and I'm losing my fortune. I'd be losing